Well, folks, we're gonna go combine some beans. It's today, September, I don't know, September something. But we're gonna go combine some beans. We got 10 acres that are ready, that were planted super early. My first planting, I'll link it. Those are ready to go, so we've got the combine ready. I'm gonna have to do some adjusting, of course, before we take off. But yeah, let's go farming, boys and gals. After a bit of minor inconveniencing, we're gonna make it work. The motor for our concave adjust is not working right, so I did it manually. I drew some blood, and that's life. But now we're gonna fix it. I got new parts coming, so everything should be a-okay now. But we're gonna try it today. Just load 10 acres and see what happens. Yeah, we've got a little narrow road to go through to get here. So I'm gonna put y'all down. We're gonna walk back and see how we're doing. There's one. There's two. There's some. It's not perfect, but it's really dry, so we'll go right behind the combine. Oh, there's a few. I'm gonna turn my fan way down. Like way down. This is not on my 2024 list. There's a wind-blown spot, and it's just right here. Because the combine is not happy about it. So this is not completely on my 24 harvest, that's for sure. We're gonna do another check. We're slowly getting better. Fine. This looks pretty good. There's one bean, 2 beans, 3 beans. Right there. 4 beans. About 4 beans is 1 bushel, give or take. Oh, I got a bunch of hemp wrapped around that. I'm gonna also check this pile. I could open up just the shade. I'm pretty clean up top, I think. So we're gonna double check that quick. That's pretty clean. I could get away with a little more dirty, so we're gonna go back and I'm gonna show you how we open it up just to shade. Grab this handy dandy little stick. This thing works in millimeters. So little things go a long ways. Running about 1200 fan speed-ish. I'm gonna run up to the front of the head. I'm gonna see what we got for shatter loss. So what that means is it hits the head itself and the pod might break. Because here's how easy it is to break a pod. So there's a broken one. It looks like a lot of our losses at the head right there, as you can see. There's not a lot you can do about it with this style header. If it was a Draper, you could add a wind system to it or something. I'm gonna pull this wrapped up hemp around my motor, throw it in the middle. So we'll just keep plugging away. We're having one heck of a turn of events right now. I lost a tire completely, and I'm hoping the hub's not shot. So that's the next problem. But I gotta get the beans off of the combine that are in the combine into the grain cart. That's the predicament. So we gotta, I don't even know what happened. It literally just, I heard a pop and then it was off. So we're gonna move this. I have 3 passes to go. No joke. So we'll see how this goes, I guess. But yeah, 3 passes. That's it. Right there. It's the next day. I got parts ordered. Luckily, I have a new axle or spindle. You guys can see that. That ain't supposed to do that. So, we're gonna pull this one off and then go get my other one, put this one on, and then fix all the other minor things on this that don't quite want to work right. So, with that being said, nothing to it but to do it. So I got what was in the grain cart unloaded. Ended up the axle is junk, spindle. And the one I had is missing the kingpin. That's out of my realm to weld in a new one. So, waiting on the parts guy to call back now, and maybe we'll get it and keep fixing. But today's Tuesday. Thursday is when Deere will get the rest of my parts in, my bearings, my hub, all that. So we've got time. Well, folks, today's the day. I am a little sick. So that's not going to stop us we've got everything I need. So let's go put all this together. I think that's how they wanted it. Well, folks, we've got one little strip like 30 inches wide. Otherwise, the first field of 2024 is done. My monitor goofed off and didn't have GPS receiver service for 9 of those acres. So it makes a combine 12 acres, but I can tell you this field's 9.9 or 10.1. So I know it's not 12. Also says we have 494 bushels, which I didn't do a calibration, so that's probably not right either. Oh well. We'll finish the last sliver right there, and then this is going to town and more than likely getting sold right away. So I don't have to do anything about it. I don't have to try to market it. Soybeans went up recently, that's part of that. So finish this, unload her in the semi, and go to town.